Hello all and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to replace the missing values with the mean value of the data. But before that, please like and subscribe for more videos. Let's import the Pandas library and read an Excel file. There is video for that on my channel. We will set up a variable, let's call it data. Inside the data variable, we will place the data of the Excel file. Now if I type data is null and run the program, you will see that there it prints the data with true or false format. True is when there is a missing value and false if it is not. But with this method it's hard to see how many missing values you have. Therefore, we will write data.isNull.sum. This will sum all the null values of our data. As you can see, we have 25 missing values from the column salary_USD. To replace them with the mean value of the column, we just have to write data and the column we want to change the values. Equals data salary_USD.fill NA, and inside the parenthesis, you will give the value you want to fill the missing values. We want to replace the missing values with the mean value of the salary column, therefore we will write data salary_USD.meanValue. Now if we run again the command we run previous and see how many null rows we have, we will see that we have 0 nulls in salary column. Thank you very much for watching.